Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our university's Edge account. So let's get started. To log into your university's Edge account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for University Edge login. So after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says Resident Login Portal. And after tapping on that, you'll come up to the website of University Edge, and from here to log into your account, what you can do is just tap on Access Resident Portal. So after tapping on that, now in order to log into your account, you can just simply enter your account's email address and then password. So after entering your email address and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then record your account's password. So after recording your account's password by creating a new password for your account, just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Edge account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.